What's up, guys? Subscribe to the channel for more videos. Remember, we upload all kind of videos. Here we are gonna wash this truck. We like to call this side job because, as you guys know me, I drive big rigs for a living. And on my side jobs, I got here me and my friend Kevin from the block helping me wash this big rig 18-wheeler, mother of the road. As you can see, it's here pretty fucking dirty. Oh, excuse my language. It's pretty dirty here. All that brake dust, these windows. Lately here in California, we're here in California and it's been raining on and off, so we hadn't really paid attention to washing it. But we checked the forecast and it looks like it's gonna be clear for at least 7 days or a week and a half. So let's take advantage and wash this truck, get it nice and shiny, make sure we look good in the road, because this truck gives you money if you work it properly. So why not maintain it looking nice? You know, it's only $100 washes when it's making you thousands of dollars. So it's only fair for the truck and for you to treat yourself for a car wash. So hit us up, drop a comment if you want us. We're here in California, the LA area. You guys want us to pull up to your truck stop, truck parking spot, warehouse, house, wherever you want us to wash. We specialize more in big rigs than small cars. Not to discriminate, but this is what we like to drive, so we like to wash it too. We like to drive the cars and wash them also, but to be honest, sometimes people are too picky for their cars. We don't want headaches. So as you can see here, we got this truck nice and washed. I believe we have just finished. We're going around showing you guys a little after. Feel free to drop a comment if you think we missed a spot or did something wrong. We're beginners. We're learning as we go. So any comments, drop them down below, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram as Loco de la Sierra. That's LOKODELASIERRA. Follow us.